asuntosakeyhtiökupittaan Heikki.
But they said, man, that question email is not coming.
Yeah.
Today on the 24th of September 2023, this is on Kaivokatu Brunskavan 16th March in Turku, Finland, close to the Kupittaa Kuppi service station, and where the new light line should be built as soon as possible. Best history courses are doing foreigners in the both official languages, Swedish and Finnish, outside. It was built in 1965, this is session 12514. It's going to be inspected this year. It doesn't should be January, but it was delayed. And I didn't film it before, of course.
Yeah.
It's on 55 years old in 2020.
Inspekterat kiva inspekterat meitä nyt bautissa on descriptis.
It was the beginning of 1965 maybe, and unfortunately it's the same year when Turku decided to close down the old tram network.
Yeah.
And they decided to destroy it. It was 1965.
Yes.
Unfortunately. Unfortunately it was that year.
Yeah.
Yeah, same year as when The Sound of Music came out. That was 65 too.
Yeah.
That musical, for example. That's it, thanks for watching. Still was a successful video.
That's